Hello, good morning friends. How are you doing? Thank you for wonderful responses you gave on the last video, which was about text filter. Today we are going to discuss about number filters, and as you can see, the number filter contains various options where you can filter whether the value is equal to your input or not, or does not equal, and greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, top 10, above average, below average, and again the custom filter. So without spending too much of time here, I want to take you directly to Excel file where we'll see how these can be used in Microsoft Excel. Alright, I'm in Microsoft Excel file now, and this is the same file which we had used for last lesson, that is text filter. Now we know that how to apply filter. I have to go to data filter, or the shortcut is Control-Shift-L, as you know already. Okay, under value filter, so I have to be on the field where the numbers are listed. Okay, I cannot go to this order priority because it has all text data. Value filter is not visible here, so I have to go to a field where the data is number, numerical field, and see unit price is numerical field. So if I go here and if you pull down this drop down, I get number filter here. So let us see how equals work. It works in the same way how it works for the text filter. So equals, let us see, either I can type here or I can pull from this drop down. So let us say equals 6. Any record which is equal to 6 is visible now. So you can narrow down your data like this with the help of filter. The same way, if I go here and choose does not equal, whatever number I input here or whatever number I choose from this drop down, let us say does not equal to 5. All the records which are not equal to 5 are listed here now. The records which are equal to 5 are hidden. Then greater than, so is greater than, if you are interested to only those records which are greater than, say for example 100, then all I have to do is type 100 here in this box and click on OK. I have 3854 records out of 16,798 which are greater than 100. Okay, that is about greater than. The next one is greater than or equal to. There is a very little difference between greater than and greater than or equal to, because now if I choose is greater than or equal to, and if you give any number, that number is also included here. Say for example, if I give greater than or equal to 100, 100 was not included in greater than, now it will be included. Now 3922. Earlier it was 3800 something. Okay, let us see next. Less than. Less than also works in the same way how it works for greater than. So less than, say 10. So any record which is less than 10 will be shown here. 5722 records are there which are less than 10, and less than or equal to is also there. So let us give 10 itself. 6038 records are there which are less than or equal to 10. So these are very simple filter options, so you don't have to spend too much of time learning it. If you just see once, you will understand how it works. Next one is between. As soon as I click on between, it takes me to custom filter, and I have to type two numbers like is greater than or equal to. So I have to type the lower number and I have to type here upper number. So if I want such records which are greater than or equal to 50 and less than or equal to 100, that means number from 50 to 100, including 50 and including 100, then all I have to do is type 50 here and type 100. So it will list out only those records which are between these two numbers, that is less than or equal to 100 and greater than or equal to 50. Yes, I have 1948 records which are between these two numbers, that is 50 and 100. So that is between. And very important, top 10. So go to number filters, top 10. Okay, let us leave as top 10. Yeah, this is used everywhere, so you should know how top 10 is calculated or how top 10 is shown with the help of filter. So next one is also very important, above average. So any record which is above of average. Okay, let us see first what is the average of these numbers. Don't select the header, come one down with the help of down arrow key and hold Control and Shift and press down arrow key. Control Shift plus down arrow key will select all the records, and it gives me here what is the average. Average is 21.22. So any record which is more than 21.22 will be shown under above average. So I have 5693 records which are above average for order quantity. Likewise, you can show below average also. You have 11,105. So most of the records are below average. So this is how you can know that how your data is distributed, whether certain field is below average or above average. And the next one is custom filter. In the text filter also we saw this custom filter. So when you say custom filter, it is not restricted to text filter and it's not restricted to value filter. So it is for both. So custom filter means it is for both, less than 50 or greater than 1000. So any record which is less than 50 and greater than 1000 would be shown here. And here I have to use OR, because if I choose AND here, I'll get blank. We'll discuss about AND and OR in later videos, but for now please understand that if I want to show some numbers which are less than some numbers and greater than some numbers, okay, so less than 50 and greater than 1000, I have to use OR. So I have 8,839 records. Either they are less than 50 or they are more than 1000. Okay, so that was about value filter. Yeah, as usual, I would like to request you to share this video with your friends and family members. Comment, like, and if you are new to this channel and if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Alright, so don't forget to see the tip of the day we are giving right away. Okay, thank you for watching. I wish you good luck and love you all.